Hi everyone, my name is Alex Howells and I'm Chief Executive of Health Education and Improvement Wales. And I'm here to introduce to you the All Wales Healthcare Student PACT. This is a set of pledges directed towards you as students to support your safe entry into practice learning environments given the ongoing impact of COVID-19. We recognise the significant contribution that you're continuing to make to service delivery at this time and want to help alleviate your concerns about practice learning in this environment to make sure that you have a good quality learning experience. The pledges have been developed by ourselves, Welsh Government, universities and placement providers and mean that we're all working together in these unprecedented times.
Lle mae Covid-19 yn arwain at hael ffurfio neu hael gynllunio gwasanaethau, byddwn yn blaenoriaeth i dysgu myfyrwyr gan gweithio i agor cyfleoedd dysgu newydd iddynt, adneferthu amgylchiadau dysgu ymarfer presennol ac yn gweithredu at ddatrys materion capacity lleoliadau lle bynnag y gallwn.
We will ensure that you have the information required to complete a safe return student passport to support your entry into practice learning environments, including completion of an individual risk assessment, co-induction content and orientation to specific allocated practice learning environments.
If you have a high or very high risk score after completing the All Wales COVID-19 Workforce Risk Assessment Tool or equivalent, your university will discuss your individual programme options with you. Your safety is of paramount concern. Organisations will not take any actions to compromise this.
Options may include continuation of practice learning experiences, a non-client-facing placement, or alternative academic pathway if appropriate and available, or a temporary suspension of studies. If you can undertake practice learning experiences, where agreed, your university and placement provider will ensure your red, amber or green rated placement allocation is appropriate for you when measured against your individual risk score.
We will act on your queries, concerns and requests for information in a timely manner. Signpost you to relevant organisations and individuals who are best placed to respond, and where required, update existing policy guidance.
Bydd sefydliadau addysg uwch yn rhoi gwybodaeth i chi a'r cymorth personol priodol sydd ei angen i gael gafal ar adnoddau a gwasanaethau iechyd a lles myfyrwyr.
Byddwn yn ymgorffori egwyddorion arweinyddiaeth dosturiol. Tegwch a throloeder ac yn disgwyl yr un peth ohonoch chi fel myfyrwyr proffesiwn gofal iechyd.
We will facilitate opportunities for you to work towards achievement of your programme competencies or proficiencies and do all that we can to avoid any unnecessary delay to your programme completion.
In collaboration with placement providers, your university will endeavour to provide timely notification of practice allocations whilst respecting that the availability and designation of placements may be subject to alteration.
We will ensure you are appropriately supervised and assessed when undertaking practice learning in line with the requirements of your programme.
We will do everything possible to support your supernumerary status during your practice learning experiences.
We will ensure you can access documentation that will support your key worker status while undertaking practice learning, which may include the need to cross COVID-19 restricted boundaries.
We will provide you with information about the NHS and Social Care Coronavirus Life Assurance Scheme, which covers students on placement.
We will ensure that all practice learning environments are appropriately audited to provide supervised student learning experience.
Hello, I'm Dr Frank Atherton and I'm the Chief Medical Officer for Wales, and I just wanted to thank you all for your ongoing commitment to supporting the population of Wales throughout the pandemic that we are facing. Your efforts as medical students and as physician associate students are making and will continue to make a huge contribution to the workforce here in Wales and to the health and well-being of everybody in Wales. I'm very proud to have you as members of our healthcare community. Thank you for everything that you've been doing.
Thank you so much for your commitment to health and care delivery in this pandemic. Your efforts and achievements as a student have made a significant contribution to the delivery of health and care services. We look forward to welcoming you as a future registrant and colleague to the social care workforce in Wales.
Hello, my name is Jean White. I'm the Chief Nursing Officer for Wales. Thank you for choosing to study to become a health professional in Wales. I'm very grateful for your support during the pandemic, and I'm sure you will go on to have a wonderful career, hopefully with us here in Wales.